and back to about that time, 2017, 2018. And at the time, President Duterte, acknowledged that there were great problems in terms of the flood control projects. Pero wala namang nangyari. Having acknowledged it, he did not find accountability in anybody. So that, I guess that was left up to me. Kung hindi ko sinabi yung sinabi ko sa SONA, wala tayong pinag-uusapan na ganito. I am the one who exposed all of this. And I'm the only one that has started to do anything about this. Bakit? Ang mga nakaramba na Pangulo, may nakita ba kayong ginawang ganon? Meron ba silang kinulong? Meron ba silang finish na account? Meron ba silang mga investigasyon na ginawa? Wala. Sa akin lang. Tapos sasabihin, ako daw ang may kagagawan. Eh kung talagang racket ko yun, ba't ko sisirain yung racket ko? Di ba? That makes absolutely no sense. So,